Sukha Perek Aleph Mishnah Ches. Hamakora Sukhoso B'Shvudim. Someone who prepares the schach of their sukkah b'shvudim with metal spits, metal, something that doesn't grow from the ground and is therefore not permitted for schach, oy ba'aruchei samita, or from the side beams, the long side beams along the side of a bed. A bed would be makabel tumah, and therefore these beams would also not be permitted for schach. Im yesh revach beineim kemoison, if there was space between, for example, the spits the spits are of equal size and there is space between them, kemoison, like them, and that one fill that space with kosher schach, then keshera, the sukkah, would be kosher. In fact, we will need actually slightly more, as we learnt on previous mishnahs. One needs more shade at the level of the schach. There must be slightly more shade than sunlight, and therefore these metal spits or the aruchei samita, which are not acceptable for schach, one would actually need slightly more kosher schach than these other items. In that case, the sukkah would be kshera. Hachitet begodish, someone who hollows out a haystack from below, la'asos by sukkah, to make a sukkah. Now, haystack, hay, is permissible for schach. So what this person did is he hollowed out from the lower end, removing the hay, until he had the required height, and on top a level of hay which was permissible for schach. However, eino sukkah, this hollowed out haystack is not permitted, is not kosher for a sukkah, and the reason for that is, as we mentioned previously, the principle of ta'aseh, v'lo min ha'osu, one must make the schach rather than the schach just indirectly becoming schach. And this is what happens here. One has not actually placed the schach, the hay, to be schach. He has removed from the lower level to hollow out from the haystack, and thereby he ends up with schach on top, but he has not actually placed that as schach. And as he has not placed the hay on top as schach, therefore the sukkah is eino sukkah. This is not a kosher sukkah.